I'll guide you how to use Obsidian. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, download Obsidian from the official website and install it on your device. Once it's installed, open it up and create a new vault. You'll need to enter a name for your vault and choose a location to save it. Click Create, and just like that, your vault is ready to use. Next, let's organize your workspace. Create 2 folders inside your vault, one named Note and the other Project. Now, right-click on the Note folder and choose New Note. This will be your first note for your project. If you want to link notes together, type 2 square brackets and the name of the note you want to link. This creates an internal link you can click to jump between notes instantly. Super handy for organizing ideas. To visualize your connections, click the Graph View button in the top left corner. You'll now see a web of how all your notes are linked. And don't worry about saving. Obsidian has an auto-save feature built in, so your notes are always safe.